Hello?
Hello? You ain't nothing! Fuck you, you goddamn nigger!
You ain't having shit with me.
Hey, look, listen. You're very faint, and you call on the payphone. You need to try again, okay? You alright?
What's your fucking excuse, nigger?
Are you okay?
No, just make sure you go to jail, nigger.
Are you okay?
You know what? God ain't gonna blast you, be shit all over you.
Call a different number. This number's not safe.
You know what we do to niggers?
Hello?
You retarded motherfucker.
Hello?
You don't have enough money to buy nigger babies.
Hello?
I'm white and I got plenty of money.
Call a different number.
That's why they call you niggers.
You're calling a payphone.
You know what we do to niggers?
No.
Nigger lover. That's all you are, nigger.
Fuck you! I come.
Hello?
Go goddamn back where you belong, goddamn Africa, where the goddamn niggers are! Fuck you, you goddamn nigger!
You don't have a job, so
You had a
fucking nigger.
Hello?
You're a nigger lover. You know what we do to niggers?
Dude,
You
what
ain't
the
shit with me, nigger. You know what,
Okay.
nigger? So what's your fucking excuse, nigger?
Uh-huh.
Dude, how old are you?
You buy nigger babies. I've been in the
This
fucking
is your mother.
business and I got more horse and Carter's
What's
got
going on?
working for me and more favors than Jesus.
Here's the address, pussy.
I'm in Chicago.
What?
I'm in Chicago.
What?
I'm in Chicago. Get that nigger that right for me and I'll give you
Who
your
the
address,
fuck are you
motherfucker.
talking to? What?
Fuck you, nigger!
Do not yell at me! Do not say fuck you, nigger!
Fuck you, you goddamn nigger! Fuck you, nigger!
What?
Go goddamn back where you belong, goddamn Africa, where the goddamn niggers are!
Hello?
Fuck you! I ain't calling no goddamn nigger! I'm goddamn white! I don't call fucking niggers! A goddamn fucking nothing nigger from goddamn Africa!
Wait, you're calling a payphone.
You call my house one more time, your ass is going to Lillington!
Hello?
Fuck you, you goddamn nigger!
Motherfucker.
Go fuck yourself, nigger. You don't have a job, so you know what? I was right. You are a fucking nigger.
What'd you say to me?
That's why we call you niggers. You know
Hey,
what, nigger?
why don't you come on and show yourself?
So what's your fucking excuse, nigger?
Hey, fuck you, you little bitch.
I'm in Chicago.
Where you at? Are you looking at me right now?
I'm in Chicago.
Oh, you little pussy. Oh, you can only call people on the phone, you little pussy.
You called me,
You can't show
motherfucker.
yourself.
Go goddamn back where you
All you do is
belong,
call people on the
goddamn
phone because you're a little
Africa,
bitch. You can't go out and show yourself.
Hey!
You little bitch.
Hey! I called your fucking house,
Hello?
fuck you! You call my house one more time, your ass is going to Lillington!
Do it! Come back!
Fuck you, nigger!
Hey,
Fuck you!
hello?
I'll tell you what, motherfucker, you come over here and kick my ass. You come over here and
Hey,
try it.
no, time out. What am I holding right now?
I'm in Chicago.
No, what am I holding right now? Stop.
I'm gonna come get your ass.
What am
I'm so
stop.
fucking dumb.
What am I holding right now?
I'm so fucking dark and mean, you motherfucker. I'll rip your goddamn guts out of your fucking ass.
Hey. I'll shove those K-Swisses up your fucking ass, you fucking douchebag.
You ain't got goddamn enough fucking, you ain't man enough to kick my ass. You come try it. And you ain't goddamn man enough to kick my ass.
Hello?
Fuck you, nigger!
Hello?
Fuck you goddamn nigger!
Hey, watch the racist slurs, babe.
Go goddamn back where you belong, goddamn Africa, where the goddamn niggers are!
Oh, yeah.
Fuck you! I ain't calling no goddamn nigger! I'm goddamn white! I don't call fucking niggers! A goddamn fucking nothing nigger from goddamn Africa?
That is correct.
Go fuck yourself, nigger.
Hello.
Go fuck yourself, nigger. You know what,
Excuse
nigger?
me?
Fuck you goddamn nigger!
Hello?
Go goddamn back where you belong, goddamn Africa, where the goddamn niggers are! Fuck you, nigger!
Where are you?
I'm in Chicago.
You're in Chicago?
Fuck you! I ain't calling no goddamn nigger! I'm goddamn white! I don't call fucking niggers! A goddamn fucking nothing nigger from goddamn Africa!
Don't be rude.
Fuck you goddamn nigger!
Go fuck yourself, nigger.
Okay. That's funny because I'm white and you're rude.
Any self-respecting white man wouldn't be having all fucking day to talk with.
Hello?
Go fuck yourself, nigger. You know what, nigger? You're a nigger lover. Any self-respecting white man wouldn't be having all fucking day to talk with.
Fuck you goddamn nigger!
Did you just say you love nigger pussy? God, you
Fuck you, nigger! Go goddamn back where you belong, goddamn Africa, where the goddamn niggers are!
Sounds like some black bitches on the other end of this phone.
Fuck you! I ain't calling no goddamn nigger! I'm goddamn white! I don't call fucking niggers! A goddamn fucking nothing nigger from goddamn Africa!
Oh?
Fuck you goddamn nigger!
Nigger!
Fuck you, nigger!
Fuck you, nigger!
Go goddamn back where you belong, goddamn Africa, where the goddamn niggers are!
This phone, motherfucker!
You're a nigger lover.
Hello?
Go fuck yourself, nigger.
Really?
You're a nigger lover.
Really? No way, no, never. Forget about it.
Any self-respecting white man wouldn't be having all fucking day to talk with.
I don't think you know what you're talking to, motherfucker.
Go fuck yourself, nigger.
Hey, yeah, really? No way, no.
Go goddamn back where you belong, goddamn Africa, where the goddamn niggers are!
Really? No way. Forget about it. No way.
Fuck you! I ain't calling no goddamn nigger! I'm goddamn...
I hope you kill yourself tomorrow in the bathtub.
I'll tell you what...
Yo.
You know what, nigger? Go fuck yourself, nigger.
Fuck you goddamn nigger!
That's all you are, nigger.
Do you know who you're talking to?
Any self-respecting white
Fuck
man
off,
wouldn't be having
bro.
all
I got
fucking
black
day to talk
skin,
with.
son.
Hey, quit calling my goddamn number! Fuck you, bitch! Fuck you! I ain't calling no...
Vindicate yourself, bitch.
Fuck you!
Hello?
Fuck you! Fuck you! I ain't calling no goddamn nigger! I'm goddamn white! I don't call fucking niggers! A goddamn fucking nothing nigger from goddamn Africa!
What?
Fuck you, nigger!
Who?
Go fuck yourself, nigger.
What are you guys talking about?
That's all you are, nigger. You don't have a job, so you know what? I was right. You are a fucking nigger.